with a how, Màiri?
Oh, how are you yourself? Give me how he.
I'm getting. I'm not complaining. What's troubling you, dear? You don't look like yourself.
That's the cow. You know, she's always been particular. I have to sing to her just so to get her to let down any milk, but lately she's hardly been given anything at all. You might as well call what's coming out of her skin milk.
Oh. I'm sorry to hear that.
And it's the children that worry me. With the potato harvest being so poor this year, you know, they're after getting so frail and thin. And now this with the milk, it worries me, it does.
I wonder, you don't think it's the Droch, the evil eye, Màiri?
No.
Have you seen Iseabail lately? I'm hearing that she's after putting the Droch on my brother Ian's cow.
No, Iseabail.
Yes.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
Oh,
Hello, Iseabail.
Oh, how's your courage, girls?
Come shop ma. Jinsui.
Oh, tablet.
Nice.
Tablet, come on.
Nice evening out there tonight.
Yes. Leanna.
Yeah? You know, we were just talking about you.
We were.
Ah, what a beautiful basket you have there, Màiri. That's a fine basket. That would carry all my things when I travel.
Oh, that's one my mother made before she died. God rest her soul, she made it special for taking the butter to market, you know. I think of her every time I use it.
Amica Mabria, that's a beautiful basket. An old calyot like myself would really use the basket like that.
The whole Iseabail, I'll not be parting with that one.
Surely Màiri the tailor could make a beautiful basket like that. She's after getting good at making them herself.
I've never seen a finer mutak basket like I've seen right there. You know that would look really good on my place.
Oh, I see what you're up to. And I bet you'd like a cow like Maddie's herself.
What you saying?
I'm saying that isn't it interesting that Maddie's cow hasn't been giving milk these last few weeks?
Ever since the last time you were here, come to think of it.
What you mean?
Maddie's trying to say is...
You put the evil eye on my cow, didn't you?
I get howling Jew. You watch yourself, woman. Oh, put the curse on you and everything that's yours.
She demanded you. Good riddance to you. Oh, the last time she was here, she was praising my cow up one side and down the other, and she's put the evil eye on her for sure.
Oh, I've heard stories about that Iseabail. I wouldn't be surprised if tomorrow your basket was a pile of splinters.
Oh, yeah, good.
Oh, we best be off right away. We'll go see Aileen Oidhche. He'll know what to do. He'll get the cow all set and be right as rain tomorrow.
He knows the cure, does he?
He does, yes. We'll be okay.
Oh, choking get that. I want to have milk for the children tomorrow.
Yes.